scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. A. Geographic separation blocks gene flow, so isolated populations undergo different mutations, selection, and drift, eventually becoming reproductively isolated through allopatric speciation. B. Biodiversity depends on the balance between speciation and extinction. If speciation falls while extinction stays constant, biodiversity declines. Removing geographic barriers in the late Devonian likely reduced speciation by limiting isolation. C. Native species speciation rates will most likely decrease. D. Invasive species often outcompete natives for resources, shrinking, and fragmenting populations. Smaller populations have less genetic variation and are more prone to local extinction than divergence. Invasives also homogenize habitats, reduce niche diversity, fill ecological niches, and suppress native specialists, limiting diversification. And isolation needed for new species to form. Great job working through that. Remember to check each step and watch for sign errors. Practice more with Sovi to master this topic.